Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Ghaffar here. Today I'm going to talk about another scholarship opportunity, and today I'll be talking about Italian government scholarship. So this video is for you guys. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I will let you guys know how you can apply, where is the website link, what is the eligibility criteria, and what are the different universities where you can apply based on this scholarship. So I will keep you guys updated in a minute. So let's get started. Okay, as you guys can see from my page, from my screen, that this is the advertisement page. So let's go to their advertisement and read first what is the criteria and what is the scholarship is all about. Okay, so it is the Italian government scholarship, Ministry of Education scholarship, and the deadline is not so far, so make sure to apply right now if you have all the documents in your hand. So which documents do you require? I will keep you updated, okay, in a while. I'm not going to read all the things. I'm just going to read all the basic things which helps you to like prepare your application or prepare your portal as well. Okay, so as I've already mentioned, the host country is Italy, and it is funded by Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Italy. So this scholarship is for masters, PhD, and research, other research projects. But most of my subscribers are students, so make sure to focus on your masters and PhD degrees. Okay, so this is a scholarship type. This is a fully funded scholarship type. Okay, and yeah, I think the information is done. So what does this scholarship cover? This is the most important thing, because if you wanted to get this scholarship, you have to have the knowledge of what this scholarship covers. So your full exemption from the tuition and enrollment fees at participating institution. This is the very important thing for all the students who wanted to study abroad, who wanted to study abroad at particular scholarship. So your health and medical accidental insurance coverage will also be covered through this scholarship. A total grant of 9,000 euros distributed in 3 installments. You will get the stipend in installments, like 4,500 first installment, 2,500 euros second installment, and 2,000 euros final installment. So this is how you guys can get the scholarship in installments. Who can apply? Because most of the time, most of the scholarships have some limitations. So who can apply? Be a citizen of one of the 141 eligible countries. Which eligible countries? I didn't get the list yet, but I will be sharing the list in my community. So make sure to subscribe my channel right now, because this is a very important thing that you wanted to know before applying. Okay, then you hold a bachelor's degree if applying for a master's program, and be under the age of 29 for master's and 31 for PhD program by the application deadline. And you provide proof of English proficiency through IELTS. You have to take the IELTS test before applying. And alternatively, applicant must submit a university issued English language proficiency letter as well. It depends. Okay, so if you have the English proficiency letter, you can apply based on this proficiency letter. Which universities are participating in this particular scholarship? There is no restriction of universities, but there are some universities which are participating in the scholarship. To make sure to apply to those universities for some particular program. Okay, so this is the, like, I will share the list of the universities which are applying, which are participating in the scholarship. Which university is participating, I will share how you can get the information. You will get the information from their website. Also, I will share the website in my video later. Okay, so this is the field of study, and the scholarship encompasses a diverse range of disciplines like engineering, technology, natural sciences, humanities, visual and performance arts, and health. And you guys can see from here that it covers approximately all sub fields, okay, or main fields. So if you are engineering student, you can apply over here. If you are a natural sciences student, like maths, physics, chemistry, other subjects, interested and you are interested in other subjects, you guys are more than welcome to apply. If you are an art student, so you can apply over here, health sciences and humanities and social sciences. So this scholarship covers all the different subjects. Okay, now the most important thing, which are the eligible countries. So this is the list of eligible countries, like citizens from countries in Africa, Asia, Europe, Americas, Oceania are welcome to apply. So these are the different countries where from where the students can apply. Okay, and a detailed list of 141 eligible countries is provided on the Study in Italy website. I have already shared the information with you guys that I will be sharing the list, and I will be sharing the um, um, I will be sharing the list of eligible countries and the list of eligible universities where you can apply. So from the website, I will also share the website in a while with you guys. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so now let's talk about how to apply. This is the most important thing. This and the most easy process, easiest process for application, because most of the times to scholarships, if you wanted to apply for a particular scholarship, so they have like a huge amount of time. They took your huge amount of time, and they took huge certification and huge documentation, but this is very simple method. Firstly, you have to visit the Study Italy portal, and you guys will get the information, all the information from Study in Italy portal. Okay, then you have to register and create your account first. After creating your account, you have to fill the application form. You will find the form after creating your account, and then you have to upload the required documents and finally submit your application before deadline. Okay, so this is they have written over here a note. Let's read it first. Applying for the scholarship does not require prior university's admission. Okay, however, scholarship awardees must later secure enrollment and organized Italian higher education system. So you guys can get my point here. Like scholarship awardees, if you get the scholarship, you must secure in enrollment. They didn't require you to get enrolled in any university first. Like they didn't require a pre-admission letter from you. Okay, so this is a very good thing for the scholarship and for you guys. So okay, now let's discuss and now let's explore the main website where all the things will happen, like the Study in Italy. So this is their website, Study in Italy. Let me go back first. This is their main website. Okay, so what you guys gonna do, I will share the website link in my description, in the description of my video. You guys can check from here. I will guide you how you can apply. First of all, make sure to explore this website on your own and get the maximum information you can get from here. Like this will be beneficial for you guys. Okay, so after like exploring this website, what you guys gonna do, go to the grants and go to the call for application. So this is the expiry date, like this is the deadline they have written over here, 16th of May 2025. And these are the different documents. You have to like click over here and you have to read all the documents one by one on your own, because I am not able to like read all the documents. So this is the list of eligible countries, as I have already mentioned that I will be sharing the list. So if you guys can get the list of updated list, I think this is the updated list, but if you guys can get any updated list, make sure to share with you guys, make sure to share with me, as well as if I get any updated other updated list, I will share with you guys. So filhal, this is the main website, this is the main updated list. Okay, so which are the eligible countries and other territories? Afghanistan, and these are the different countries you guys can see over here. This is a huge list, guys. So most of my audience and my subscribers are from Pakistan. So this is a very like good news for you guys, because most of the time you mentioned that Pakistan is not eligible for this scholarship, but yeah, Pakistan is eligible for this scholarship. You guys can apply over here. Okay, so this is the rest of the list. Okay, I will post the link of this list in the description of my video. You guys can check from here. And yeah, this is the call for application website. This is the call for application documents. You guys should read each and everything in detail. Like they have written each and everything in detail over here. I'm not gonna read each and everything, but if you guys are interested, you guys can get the information from here. They have written each and everything for different kind of grants and for different kind of subjects and for different kind of like how you can apply and all the related things. Okay, now let's talk about the two things. First of all, how you can get the university. Like if you how you can get the information of university. Like if you get the scholarship, the next step would be you have to like get enrolled into another university for such a particular program. Okay, so make sure to come over here and find your courses. Like if I'm interested in physics, I will write over here for physics and I will find. So okay guys, so this is I have written over here physics. Okay, so this website gives me 310 particular universities. Okay, so you guys can check all the things from here. So this is what I'm gonna talk about. Okay, I will not open each and everything in the here because the video is too long to continue now. So make sure to check your interest as over here. Okay, interest subjects. Now let's talk about how you can apply. So these were the information that you should know about it. So how you can apply. um, um, yeah, I have selected my screen. I have selected a selected region of my screen, but make sure to they have written over here from study in Italy in the above corner, right corner here, like here. Click over here the login button. You guys are not able to see the login button because I have selected a region of my screen. So make sure to click over here login if you have already logged in, and if you are a first time user, so make sure to click over here the register button. So this is the once you will click over the register button, so this is the page that you will that will pop in, and you should just register yourself by clicking your name over here and your surname and your date of birth and all the things. Okay, then click over here next button and just follow the steps and make sure to log in. After login, you will see a application page. Once you will see the application page, what you guys gonna do, make sure to fill the application form and attach all the necessary documents and wait for the result. And I hope you will get enrolled in a particular university in Italy and you will be like got the scholarship. So this is how you will get the scholarship. And yeah, that's it for today. I have shared the necessary information with you guys, but if you have anything important and anything about this scholarship, if you wanted to know anything about this scholarship, do let me know in the comments below. I will share the information with you guys. So yeah, that's it for today. I will be meet you in another video with another scholarship opportunity. Till then, Allah Hafiz.